Special gratitude and thanks to family members of Honorable Justice Javed Iqbal Wani.
Spouses of Honorable Judges, family of Honorable Mr. Justice Javed Iqbal Wani, Honorable former Chief Justices and Judges of the High Court of J&K and Ladakh, Law Secretary, Senior Additional Advocate Generals and Law Officers of UTs of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, Deputy Solicitor Generals of India, High Court Range Jammu and Srinagar and Law Officers of Government of India, President Kashmir Advocates Association, President J&K High Court Bar Association Jammu, learned senior advocates and members of the bar, other officers from civil and police administration, learned judicial officers and staff of the High Court Registry.
Honorable Justice Mr. Sanjay Tar, Honorable Mr. Justice Javed Iqbal Wani, Honorable Mr. Justice. My Lord, this Wani journey is one of the distinction from the very beginning. A gold medalist in law from the he was a judge of constitutional conscious. This Wani tenure on the bench virtually from Jammu, Senior Additional Advocate General, both wings of Jammu and High Court, reinforcing that the welfare of the society about technicalities and that equality is not a slogan but a constitutional.
Former Chief Justice B.A. Khan, Justice Rashid Dar, former Judge of the Court, Mr. Saeed Latif, Judicial Member, Central Administrative Tribunal, whose presence here have truly maximized the grace of the occasion. Thank you so much for being with us. Senior Additional Advocate General, President Kashmir Advocates Association, Senior Advocates, Mr. Sethi, Law Secretary joining us online, Judicial Officers, learned members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. My association with Brother Wani began when I assumed charge as Chief Justice of this court. Though duration of our direct association has been relatively brief, but didn't take long to appreciate the depth of his scholarship and the steadfastness and steadiness of his judicial temperament with which he has discharged the responsibility of judicial office. Justice Wani's journey in law began with an illustrious academic record. As a student of law at the University of Kashmir, he distinguished himself through intellectual discipline and scholarly excellence. His teachers recall him as one of the most dedicated and brilliant students of his time, someone whose seriousness towards learning set him apart. But what made him distinctive, even then, was that his personality was not confined to academic brilliance alone. Those who knew him during his student years also remember him for his enthusiasm for sports, particularly football, which reflected the energy and balance that he carried throughout his life.
Senior officers of the police and civil administration, Registrar General, Law Secretary, Ms. Monica Kohli, Senior Additional Advocate General Jammu, Mr. Mohsen Kadri, Senior Additional Advocate General Srinagar, Deputy Solicitor General of India Jammu and Deputy Solicitor General of India Srinagar, Presidents and members of the Bar Association of High Court of Jammu, Srinagar and various districts of UT of J&K as well as Ladakh, members of the District Judiciary, officers of the Registry, members of the staff, ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon to all. I would like to begin with a thought expressed by the distinguished jurist, learned hand, and I quote, "Liberty lies in the hearts of men and women. When it dies there, no constitution, no law, no court can save it." These powerful words remind us that the strength of the justice system lies not merely in the institutions, but in the values and commitment of those who serve them. As I lay aside the robes today and bring my judicial journey on the bench to a close, I do so with a heart filled with gratitude and quiet reflection. Moments like this naturally invite one to pause and look back at the path that has brought us here. A journey shaped by faith, discipline, learning, and the support of so many people present here today. I was born on 24th of March 1964 in Srinagar in a family where education and integrity were deeply valued. My early schooling instilled in me not only academic discipline but also a sense of responsibility towards society. I completed my Bachelor of Science degree and thereafter pursued my LLB honours from the University of Kashmir, where I had the honour of being awarded the gold medal. Those formative years shaped my intellectual outlook and, more importantly, instilled in me a lasting respect for the institution of law. After enrolling as an advocate in 1990, I began my practice before the High Court at Srinagar and Jammu, as well as before the district courts. As I entered the legal profession, a profession that constantly tests one's resolve, I soon realized that advocacy is not merely about arguing persuasively. Behind every case file lies a human story.
ये आज जावेद इकबाल वानी साहब रिटायर हुए हैं, तो हम इसको रिटायरमेंट नहीं कहेंगे, ये लाइफ का एक नया फेज़ है जो शुरू हुआ है। तो उनसे पूरी उम्मीदें हैं कि वो आगे जैसे एज जस्टिस वो कामयाब रहे, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे भी वो इसी कामयाबी के साथ चलेंगे। और हम तो ये उनको कहेंगे आपके माध्यम से कि वो अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ही विल बी ए वेरी गुड लॉयर, क्योंकि उनका जो नॉलेज है, उनकी जो इंटेलिजेंस है, उसका कोई मुकाबला नहीं है। तो हमें एक बहुत अच्छे जज जो हैं इस कोर्ट से अब चले गए हैं, तो ऐसे जजेस जो हैं बड़े रेयर होते हैं, तो बड़ी उनके लिए तारीफ़ हम क्या करें, जो काम उन्होंने किए हैं बहुत अच्छे बढ़िया काम किए हैं। तो एक लॉ जो है वो सेटल किया है, पूरी ईमानदारी से उन्होंने अपना फ़र्ज़ निभाया है। तो ऐसे जजेस जो हैं दे शुड अगेन कम in another form as a lawyer in the Supreme Court. So I wish it on behalf of the Bar Association that he should be a good lawyer in Supreme Court so that we can approach him there also. Thank you.